I created my profile up here and saved it. That was yesterday, but then I remembered today that I forgot to do my coffee yesterday. So I'm going to go to this little today part and go back an arrow just one particular day to January 13th, and for some reason it doesn't always grab that. And then you see there are all the foods that I recorded for yesterday, and I'm going to say that I also had coffee, brewed regular coffee, and there's an amount that you can choose and a size that you can choose. And I just have one small cup every day, so I'm going to add that to my breakfast. And notice now I have this addition, the option to make this one of my favorites, since I said I have it every day. And that way I can just go to my favorites and put it there the next day. So if you go to my favorite food list, you can see the things that I have there so far, and coffee is added. You also have the option to edit something. And I think that maybe I had a little bit more salad dressing than this. So I'm going to say, I'm going to edit my salad dressing and say, oh, okay, I didn't have a whole lot more than that, but let's say a tablespoon and a half. And save that. And you can see now that for dinner, it says that I had a tablespoon and a half of salad dressing. Now, what I'm asking for are two reports from you. One that you will actually upload into week 2. And that way I can look and see if you said, oh, that you had a cup of sugar instead of a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to go to the date this is done for and select all for all meals. And then first create the report, and it takes just a few instances depending on how fast your computer is. So there are my meals yesterday. And so then the second step with that report is to export it to your computer as a PDF. So I'm going to save that, and it saves it as something called a meal summary report. And here's what's downloading to me, a meal summary report. And then in week 2, you will upload that so that you can get your points for this part of the assignment. And you can then do the same thing for the nutrient reports, again, for the day that you did it, which was our daughter's 29th birthday, Friday the 13th. So again, create the report and then save it as a PDF. You're just answering a study question about this. I won't actually ask to see this report, but you will be answering more study questions about this later in the term, and it will be nice for you to be able to find it. So that's it for now. There's lots more you can do with this site, and I don't begin to know all of it because I just started using it myself, but I hope you'll have fun.